recording.
All right, welcome back to my Sunday morning ride. I am on a 2009 Ducati Monster 1100 M1100. This is the black one that I have for sale. This thing is great. If you're thinking about buying a 2009 Monster, this one is available. It currently has under 9,000 miles on it. Monsters are so fun to ride. The honey shack. That's nice. Most people in North Carolina don't know what a turn signal is. Looks like they sprayed the kudzu on this road. I wish this camera could pick up all the sounds that this bike makes when you ride it. The term exhaust sounds amazing. But in the helmet with earplugs on, you can hear the clutch jingling around underneath me. so fun. Yeah, in case you were wondering, there was a Miata meetup here in the mountains this weekend. Somebody was saying there was over 1,500 Miatas here. Personally, I think if there's more than 2 Miatas, that's too many. But I do gotta admit, there's nothing more sexy than 2 dudes riding around in a Miata together. I will not be in the passenger seat of a Miata. But if you have a Lambo and you want to take me for a ride, I'm all in. Whoever buys this bike is going to get a really nice machine. I'm the 4th owner, and other than the original owner, I know for a fact that owner 2 and owner 3 did not ride this machine. Owner 2 bought this bike to commute in Atlanta, and he rode it once and parked it away. We bought this bike. Kurt and I went and picked up this bike in I think September of 2020, and this bike had 11-year-old tires on it in 2020. It's a 2009. Yeah, the tires could have been old when they were installed, but usually you don't get tires that are over 2 years old when you buy them. But they were absolutely like brand new. I pulled Michelin pilots off this bike. Somewhere, if you look through, you might be able to find a video of it. But this bike pretty much sat in this dude's garage for what, 9 years, 8 years? Let's say 8 years. He rode it once. I got it to my house, pulled it apart, serviced it, replaced all the fluids, belts, tires, wiped it down, took it for a test ride, gave it to Kurt. Kurt parked it and polished it for 3 years, and I bought it back from him, or I bought it from him. And I was going to keep it in my collection, but my wife says I need to get rid of a few, I have to get rid of a few motorcycles. Since I have 3 monsters, I think one of them should go. But hey, hit that like button. Thanks for watching. I'm not going to make you watch a video of a 4-lane.